Hey Wonderfros, welcome back to my channel. My name is Evanie, and if you are new here, then welcome to my corner of the YouTube universe, and if you're old here, then hey guys, welcome back. Today I have a super dope curl cream for you guys, and I can't wait to share it with you. Thank you to NATURALL Club for partnering with me to bring you guys this video. I'm gonna jump into the details, but before I do, take one quick second, go down below, click the subscribe button so you don't miss any more videos from me, and thumbs up if you like this type of content. And without further ado, let's get started. Today I'm going to be reviewing the NATURALL Club Thirst Quenching Avocado Hair Moisturizer. This bad boy right here, and trust me when I say this is fire. Like, I'm just gonna jump into the demo portion so you guys will see everything that happened, and I'll give you all the details like usual. I paired it with their leave-in conditioner and their avocado oil from their hydration line, but this is super dope, and I'll just get into all the details as to why. So yeah, let's get started. Hey guys, so today I'm gonna be using the NATURALL Club Thirst Quenching Avocado Hair Moisturizer. Looks like this. Very cute, very cute. I'm gonna be using this as a styling cream today, and I have already prepped my hair with the NATURALL Club Nourishing Avocado Leave-In and their avocado oil. So these two are already in my hair. If you have not caught on by now, your girl is doing the lock method like usual, and I am gonna be doing a twist out, and yeah, we're gonna see how this works out. It smells so good, you guys. This smells so good. It reminds me of the rest of the line, but it's sweeter in my opinion. So I'm just gonna start on one section back here. This all-natural fragrance is described as a fruit and berry blend with a hint of fresh basil. I really like it. I think that it smells like an earthy sweet smell, and to me that smells good. I feel like this is way too much for this one section. This stuff, it's not super thick. I feel like, I don't know, it has a decent amount of movement to it, but oh my god. Yo, look at this. Oh, that went on really smooth. And the definition, sis. And bro. Oh, that went on really smooth. This definition is kind of crazy. I was debating whether or not I wanted to use it as a style cream or use it as like a leave-in, but because they already have a leave-in in their line, in the avocado line, I was like, okay, well, why don't I just use the leave-in for leave-in and then use the moisturizer for a style cream. But that was really smooth. You know, it's in a bottle, but it kind of reminds me of like a pudding. Like this hair moisturizer reminds me of like a hair pudding. Cause like I said, it has a lot of movement to it, but it also, I don't know, it feels very smooth. Like it went on really, really smooth. We're just gonna pray that it dries clear, okay? As you guys saw before in the previous clip, this consistency reminds me of a pudding. I mean, the consistency reminds me of a pudding, and like the way it's acting in my hair reminds me of a pudding. And the first 5 ingredients are on the screen, but the full ingredients list will be down below in the description box like always. Some key ingredients include konjac root and carob gum. This natural gel is a thickening agent allowing for moisturizer to double as a styling cream and a curl primer. AminoSensyl HC, this neutral hair care active system, is offering a high performance in conditioning, smoothness, and definition in hair application. And avocado oil, which is rich in oleic acid and monounsaturated fats, making one of the few oils that can actually penetrate the hair shaft and moisturize your hair rather than sitting on top and coating your hair. The directions indicate that you can use this cream in 3 different ways: as a moisturizing curl primer, as a hydrating styling cream, and as a nourishing daily moisturizer. You can apply this moisturizer to clean, damp, or dry hair. Take a generous amount and apply from roots to tips, and then you can gently comb through. Do not rinse, style as desired, and for best results, you can combine this with the NATURALL Club Curl Custard, or be like me and use it with the leave-in and the oil for the lock method. Now, as far as my experience, as you guys can see, my twists were looking extra juicy, okay, extra plump and shiny. And when I put that stuff on my hair, it just went on so smooth. I know I keep saying that, but it's like it just made your cuticle extra slippery and extra smooth. Like when you guys get this, you're gonna see when you use it, it just smoothed everything out. I don't know any other way to put it, but it just felt so good. Like you could glide through using a tool. It was really, really easy, and I didn't feel like any hairs were getting snagged or anything, which is always a plus because you guys know in order to get product throughout all of my fine hairs, I do have to use a tool in order to distribute everything. But after the unravel, this is what things are looking like. Now I will say glycerin is the 6th ingredient in here. It's not in the top 5, but it is in the top 10. And I was a little worried that maybe my hair might come out frizzy, but after applying the product on top of the leave-in and the oil, I just felt like the definition was popping, and it was crazy when I was doing my hair wet that it was just gonna come out really good after it dried. I did start off on freshly washed and deep conditioned hair, and like I said, I layered it on top of the leave-in and the oil for the lock method, and to me this is a lot of definition. This is why I'm using it as a curl cream. Like the directions said, you can use it in 2 other ways. I'm not a daily moisturizer type of person, and a curl primer to me is also kind of like a leave-in, so because I was already using a leave-in, to me this is a curl cream. But this is what my hair is looking like. Lots of definition for days and days, and even though I feel like there's a slight frizzy halo from the glycerin in the top 10 ingredients, I still feel like my hair came out bomb. So as I had mentioned in the video, you can use this cream in 3 different ways, and I decided to use it as a curl cream, and I did the lock method like I mentioned before on top of the leave-in and the oil. I think this product gave me crazy definition, and I had mentioned before as well that it feels like, even though it's in a bottle, which kind of like threw me a little bit, and it's labeled a moisturizer, it feels like a pudding. Like it feels like a curl pudding to me, and how it's reacting in my hair. You can call things whatever you want to call them. Obviously, like I said, this is a multi-use product, but I mean, are you guys seeing my hair right now? This definition is crazy, and usually when I see things that say moisturizer, I just don't expect them also to define. But in my book, this is a curl cream, okay? This is a curl defining cream, and it gave me like crazy definition. I feel like my hair looks so good, and it is really moisturizing. Now, what I will say, and I don't know exactly if it was the combo or if it was the cream alone, but I do feel like there is some kind of coating on my hair. Things did not flake. It is perfectly fine. I feel like the definition is gonna last, and my hair is definitely moisturized. But I do also feel like maybe I was too heavy-handed. Y'all know I'm a heavy-handed natural, okay? A heavy-handed diva. That ain't gone nowhere. But I do think that you do not need a lot of this stuff. This is pretty concentrated, and you could probably just use it alone. Obviously, I did the lock method in this video, but you could probably just use this all by itself and some oil if that's your thing, and this would be fire as well. So I do feel like a little bit of a coating. Yeah, I do feel that, but like I said, I could have just did way too much and not enough at the same time, which is like my usual, right? Anyway, I do recommend this cream. It's super dope. I think they did a good job with the formula, and even though glycerin is a little higher up on the ingredients list, this is still something I can work with if I layer it on top of the leave-in and the oil. And like I said, I would try this by itself because I just don't think you need as much product as I was using. So highly recommend. I give this like a 5-star, and I think you guys should go try it. Links will be down below in the description box. Check out my code as well. I will leave that on the screen, and that will also be down below in the description box if you guys are interested. Don't forget to thumbs up the video if you enjoyed this type of content, and comment down below what you would use this cream for. There's 3 different uses, okay? 3. Mine is curl cream. It's gonna stay that way. Dead serious. Let me know what you guys would use this for, and don't forget to subscribe down below to my world as well so you don't miss any more videos from me. And if you do, then I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.